planning a blue-themed birthday but not sure where to begin? Whether it's a dreamy setup for kids or a chic celebration for adults, blue brings elegance and energy to any party. From the right shades to stunning decor and tasty treats, there's so much you can do with this color. But with so many options, how do you make sure everything feels cohesive and memorable? Today, I'm sharing answers to the most common questions party planners have about this theme. So stay with me. These tips might be exactly what you need to pull off a picture-perfect celebration. Grab a pen or start your mood board. Your blue party vision starts now. Let's make it unforgettable. What's the best shade of blue for birthday decorations? It depends on the vibe you're going for. Sky blue is great for kids' birthdays. It's soft and playful. Royal blue and navy bring a more mature, elegant feel, perfect for adults. Mixing tones can create depth, but make sure they complement each other. Accent them with white, silver, or even gold for a polished look. The right shade sets the tone, so choose with intention. What are some must-have decorations for a blue theme? Balloon arches are a show stealer. Try layering different blue tones. Pair with matching streamers, metallic fringe curtains, and paper lanterns. Add fairy lights for that dreamy glow. Use table runners and napkins in blue hues to tie it all together. Photo backdrops with custom signs make great memory spots. It's all about building layers to make the space pop. If you're loving these tips, hit like to support this channel. How can I make a blue party look unique and not repetitive? Get creative with textures and materials. Think velvet, sequins, or glass. Use patterned items like starry prints or watercolor effects. Personalize with name signs, themed quotes, or photos. Throw in one accent color, silver, white, or even blush pink to add contrast. Details like custom confetti or themed party hats make a big difference. Small touches create unforgettable impact. What are some creative blue-themed food ideas? Start with a blue ombre cake or cupcakes with silver sprinkles. Add blueberry tarts, cotton candy, and cake pops with blue icing. Drinks? Try blue lemonade or mocktails with frozen berry cubes. Create a candy station with blue jelly beans, lollipops, and marshmallows. You can even make cookies with custom royal icing designs. It's delicious and totally Instagram-worthy. What blue treat would you serve? Comment below with your favorite idea. How can I decorate on a budget for a blue-themed party? DIY is your best friend. Use crepe paper streamers and handmade signs. Print free templates for cupcake toppers or photo booth props. Buy balloons in bulk online. It's way cheaper. Repurpose items like blue sheets or curtains as table covers. Stick to 2 to 3 core items and focus on styling them well. It's all about making smart choices, not spending big. What themes work well with a blue color scheme? Try Under the Sea with aqua and mermaid details for kids. Navy and gold glam works wonders for adults or milestone birthdays. Winter Wonderland with icy blues and snowflakes is perfect for December parties. Blue Safari adds playful animal prints to baby showers or toddler parties. Even a chic denim and diamonds theme mixes casual and classy. Blue is flexible. Use it as a base to tell your story. Don't forget to subscribe for more themed party inspiration each week. What kind of lighting enhances a blue-themed party? Cool-toned LED fairy lights or blue uplighting can change the vibe instantly. Use curtain lights behind your dessert table for a soft glow. Glow sticks or LED cubes add fun to kids' setups. For adults, candles in frosted blue holders set a cozy tone. You can even use colored bulbs to wash a wall in blue. Lighting equals instant atmosphere. Any tips for a picture-perfect blue-themed photo area? Start with a statement backdrop, like a sequin curtain or floral wall. Add oversized balloons, paper fans, or a DIY happy birthday banner. Incorporate props, blue hats, signs, glasses. It boosts guest engagement. Use soft ring lights for even lighting and flattering photos. Make it interactive. Add a message board or instant camera station. Your photo corner should feel like a mini experience. And hey, share this video with someone planning a party. You'll be their hero. And there you have it, your complete guide to pulling off a show-stopping blue-themed birthday party. From soft pastels to bold royal tones, blue brings calm, creativity, and class to any celebration. Whether you're planning for a little one or throwing yourself an elegant soiree, it's the thoughtful combinations, colors, textures, and details that create unforgettable vibes. Decor doesn't have to be expensive to be stunning. It just needs intention and a touch of imagination. Remember, a party is more than visuals. It's the atmosphere you create for your guests. So light it up, add personal touches, and make every corner photo-worthy. Your blue-themed party isn't just about color, it's a whole mood. Thanks for watching and letting me help make your celebrations sparkle. If you enjoyed these ideas, go ahead and smash that like button. Got a question or an idea of your own? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss party perfect inspiration again. Share this video with a friend who's planning a birthday. They'll thank you for it. And don't forget to bookmark this for your next celebration. It'll save you time. Tag us in your party pics. We might just feature you in our next video. Join our community of creative hosts. Let's make every party unforgettable. Until next time, stay bold, stay inspired, and keep those balloons flying high.